Today I'm going to share with you how to get that family to ask you to babysit over and over and over and over again. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back. It's Lydia. Thanks for joining me. I want to show you guys something real quick. This is my calendar. I write everything down in it for my business. And all this yellow is actually babysitting jobs, nannying jobs, anything to do with kids, pick up, drop off, whatever it may be. And as you can see, it's pretty full. Now I'm not showing this to you to brag, but I wanted to let you know that I do get booked over and over again. Some of my families I've been working with for 10 years, some I've been working for 8 years, some I've been working for 6 years. You get it. It's been a long time. I get called back because I go above and beyond and exceed the expectations of the families. So there are things I do outside of the house and inside of the house to go above and beyond. The couple of things I do outside of the house is I send birthday cards to all the kids I babysit for. I write them up in the beginning of the year so I know I'm not forgetting anybody, and I write in there a special note saying, "You've gotten so big. I hope you have a great day. I hope it's filled with treats or sweets," something along those lines. And then I stick in there a $5 gift card to a local restaurant. And then I send them out on their in the mail, so they get it on their birthdays in the mail, because who doesn't love mail? Another thing I do is I send out thank you cards to those who refer me. I think it's a huge compliment when somebody refers me to another family. It means that they trust me and they have confidence in me that I could take care of their children. After that family refers me so many times, I send them a gift card to a local coffee shop, just letting them know how much I appreciate them. So the things I do inside the house to go above and beyond is pick up. So if there's a basket of towels that need to be folded, I fold it. If the dishes need to be done, I wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher. After dinner, I clean up and wipe the counters down. I pick up toys. Well, I don't pick up toys. We as a group, the kids and I, pick up the toys once we're done playing with them and just make sure the house is tidy. After the parents come home, I give them a rundown of everything that we did that night. Anything from bath time and who took a bath, to what they had for dinner, to what we played or what activities we did, if we went outside or sat down and watched a movie. This does two things. It tells them that we've cleaned up, we picked up after playing, so it's not like the kids didn't play with any toys at night and we just sat in front of the TV. We did play, but we cleaned up. And it gives them an opportunity in the morning to generate conversation or ask specific questions to their kids to see how the night went. I hope by implementing this information helps you get many callbacks. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video.